Hi, my name is Thomas Bidou. I am French Payroll Experts founder and CEO. I've been doing payroll for over 20 years now. Since I am 41, that means half my life and all my professional life. And I will be your instructor for this tutorial.
The taxable net. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using a bogus payslip created specifically for this tutorial. All personal information displayed are false. Every French fiscal resident must declare their income to the fiscal authority. The salary paid by the employer is an income. Therefore, the net must be declared. But what is the net income to declare? If you look at the bottom of the payslip, you will notice a column called Net Imposable. The first amount is the monthly taxable net. In our case, €3,519.71. The second one is the year-to-date taxable net. This appears to be very straightforward. However, if you look a little bit more closely at the heart of the payslip, you will notice a row called Net à payer avant impôt sur le revenu. In our case, it is equals €3,408.99, which stands for net to be paid before withholding of income tax. You will notice that the net to be paid before withholding of income tax is lower than the taxable net, which is worth €3,591.71. Why is that? The difference comes from the method in the calculation of the two elements. The net to be paid before withholding of income tax is the result of the gross salary minus the contributions plus the net payment. In our case, we have €4,300 gross salary minus €928.61, the total employee contribution, plus €37.60 public transportation reimbursement, total equal €3,408.99. The taxable net is different. This difference comes from the fact that an employee contribution is not deductible from taxable net. This contribution is CSG-CRDS non déductible de l'impôt sur le revenu, which stands for CSG-CRDS not deductible from income tax. In our case, €124.82. Therefore, this contributions amount must be added to the net to be paid before withholding of income tax to calculate the taxable net. However, this is not enough. €3,408.99 plus €124.82 equal €3,533.81. The taxable net is €3,518.71. It is still different from our new calculation. This is due to the fact that the employer contribution to the health insurance is subject to employees' income tax. In our case, it is worth €23.50. In regard to social contributions, this benefit provided to the employee by the employer is not a benefit in kind. However, in regard to fiscal matters, it is a benefit in kind. Therefore, it must be added to the net to be paid before withholding of income tax. We will then have €3,408.99 plus €124.82 plus €23.50 equal €3,557.31. Our calculation is still different from the taxable net. This time, it is because we forgot to deduce something. If you remember correctly, to calculate the net to be paid before withholding of income tax, we added the public transportation reimbursement. In our case, it is worth €37.60. This element is not subject to income tax. Therefore, we should deduce it from our previous calculation. We then have €3,408.99 plus €124.82 plus €23.50 minus €37.60 equal €3,519.71, which is our taxable net. The formula of the taxable net is net to be paid before withholding of income tax plus CSG/CRDS not deductible from income tax plus employer contribution to health insurance minus public transportation reimbursement. If you have many elements such as public transportation reimbursement, you may want to use this formula. Gross salary minus total employee contribution plus CSG/CRDS not deductible from income tax plus employer contribution to the health insurance. Of course, the result is the same. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to request a specific tutorial, don't hesitate to do it in the comment of this post or by email at contact@fpexpert.fr. Thank you for watching this tutorial.